Greetings YouTube, my name is Stuart and on my channel I show you how to make the most of your gear as a street and travel photographer. I'm a photographer and travel writer based in South Korea, and I make videos about street photography in Asia, my journey as a street photographer and the gear that I use. So if you enjoy those types of videos, be sure to hit subscribe for more videos posted weekly. Now tonight I find myself in the Taiwanese capital of Taipei, specifically in Ximending. It's a long weekend in Korea, so I thought, you know, let me make the hop on over to Taipei, check it out and kind of get a feel for the city. So far I've just been kind of wandering around, exploring. I've been to the electronics district, which I must say was quite underwhelming. I really didn't enjoy it at all. I've been looking for a GoPro audio adapter and I simply cannot seem to find it anywhere. So yeah, I'm not really in a good space right now. I've been trying to set up live streaming with my GoPro, just hasn't been cooperating. I don't know if it's just my energy, but you know, Taipei seems a bit underwhelming to me, to be honest. You know, what I want to do tonight and to hopefully get my energy levels up is to do some night photography in Ximending, and that's the shopping district right here. So this is not strictly street photography, this is more kind of low light cityscape photography, kind of urban landscapes, that sort of thing. And I've got my Sony A6300 with the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens tonight. And also I'm changing up the POV on my GoPro. So instead of putting the GoPro on top of my camera like I normally do, I've actually bought a clip that attaches to my back strap, so it attaches to this, and that'll basically mount the GoPro on my chest, leave me hands-free, and hopefully give you guys a good kind of idea of the POV and what things look like in the area. I'm about to go into POV mode, bring you guys along. Your boy got the last GoPro audio adapter in Taiwan.